Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Plus and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the control panel and you should find here a screen record icon. This one. If you don't have this icon here, you should open first the settings, tap the control center and you'll find here screen recording icon in more controls. Just tap to this green plus. Now screen recording icon successfully added to your panel, and just before starting your screen recording, hold for a while this icon and you'll see here the microphone. Just to activate the microphone or to turn it off, you should click to this just icon. If you just wanna record the mute videos, you should turn it off. To turn it on, to comment something, just click, and when the microphone icon will be in the red color, so this means that the microphone enabled successfully. And after that you could start your recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.